Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. I am going to share gray hair care tips with you. These are things that I have been doing since I transitioned to gray hair, and they have really helped the condition and health of my hair. So I'm hoping these tips will also be very helpful to you. Here are my gray hair care tips. Massage your scalp every day for at least 5 minutes. This is going to stimulate blood flow. It's going to stimulate hair growth, strengthen the hair follicles, loosen buildup, and it spreads the natural oils that lubricate and condition your scalp. If you want, you can use oil. Use it 1 hour before you wash your hair. Do not leave the oil overnight because it could possibly clog your scalp. Use a shower head with a filter. This has been a huge game changer for me. It has not only helped the condition and health of my hair, but it's also helped my skin. A shower head with a water filter is going to soften hard water. It will remove and filter out sediments, heavy metals, any dissolved solids that are present in hard water. There are so many different types of shower heads with filters to choose from. I use the PureAction Luxury Filtered Shower Head with a handheld hose. I really love it. I've been using it for 2 years. It removes chlorine, chloramines. It reduces fluoride in the water. It removes 99.9% of sediments and heavy metals and anything that is in the hard water, such as the iron and chrome and calcium. I found it on Amazon. There are 2 different price ranges. You can buy one, I think it's the bronze one for $30, and then there is a chrome one for $40. But like I said, I've been really happy with my shower head with water filter, and I'll never go back to not using one. I will post the link so that way you can check that out. And don't shampoo every day. Our scalp produces natural oils, and then once we start going gray, those oils are being produced a lot less, so our hair becomes drier. So when you shampoo every day, we strip those natural oils from our hair, causing our hair to become very dry. So try to shampoo every other day. Honestly, it's different for everybody. I shampoo my hair twice a week. If I shampoo my hair more than that, my hair will become very dry. If I shampoo my hair once a week, then my hair feels greasy. So 2 days a week works best for me, so you will have to experiment and see what works best for you. Use shampoo and conditioner for your hair type. So I'm going to share a really quick mini lesson on how to choose a shampoo and conditioner for your hair type. Shampoo is for the roots. You're going to choose your shampoo based on the condition of your scalp. For example, because it's winter right now, my skin and scalp get very dry. So I'm using a shampoo that adds moisture. I'm using the Miracle Moisture Boost shampoo. It's a Pantene. And this helps hydrate my scalp, which is desperately needed. Conditioner is for the ends, for the hair. So you are going to choose the conditioner based on the condition of your hair. If your hair is very dry, then you're going to choose a conditioner that's going to add moisture to your hair. And because it's winter right now, my hair is a little drier than normal, so I am also using the Miracle Moisture Boost from Pantene. It's a conditioner. That is how you choose a type of shampoo and conditioner for your hair type. Use a clarifying shampoo or treatment. Shampoo removes dirt and grime from your hair, but it doesn't remove all of it. So we use clarifying shampoo to deep clean. Clarifying shampoo is going to remove buildup from pollution, sweat, hard water, along with the natural oils that are mixed with the dead skin cells that accumulate on our scalp. Going to get rid of all of that. Please do not overuse clarifying shampoo. Overusing clarifying shampoo can strip the natural oils from your scalp, and you need those natural oils so your hair can stay soft and shiny and healthy. Use a clarifying shampoo 1 to 2 times a month. I have read that you can use the clarifying shampoo once a week if the buildup is really bad. I personally would not do that because I don't think it's healthy for your scalp. I actually do not use a clarifying shampoo. I use a apple cider vinegar rinse to clarify. You can use the apple cider vinegar rinse 1 to 2 times a week. There are so many different wonderful benefits to using an apple cider vinegar rinse. It clarifies your hair, it removes any brassiness that you have in your hair, it makes your hair soft and shiny. I'm going to post the link up on top and down at the bottom in the description box so you can check out how I do the apple cider vinegar rinse, learn about all the different benefits and all the different wonderful things that the apple cider vinegar can do for your hair. So here is a really quick warning about using the clarifying shampoo. If you have applied a gloss to your hair, wait until the gloss has washed out before you use a clarifying shampoo because it will wash the gloss out. And the same goes for hot water. If you wash your hair in hot water, it's going to wash your gloss out. So this leads me to my next tip. Wash and rinse your hair in lukewarm water. Washing your hair in hot water is going to open up the hair cuticle, causing your hair to become frizzy. It also causes your hair to become brittle and porous, which results in hair breakage and hair loss. So you always want to wash and rinse your hair in lukewarm water. What I like to do is I like to do a final 30-second rinse in cold water to close the cuticle and to seal in moisture. Add moisture to your hair. This is very, very important. Once our hair has become gray, the hair follicles produce less sebum, which is the natural oils that lubricate and condition our scalp and our hair. So we have to add extra moisture. Deep condition weekly. I use the Shimmer Lights deep conditioning treatment. I don't use this all the time, but I also deep condition with a home treatment that I use, and I will post the link up on top and down at the bottom so that way you can check out how I do that. But definitely, for sure, do not skip your weekly deep conditioning treatments to hydrate and keep your hair moisturized. Use a leave-in conditioner. I use the Germac leave-in conditioner. I have to use this. This really helps keep my hair shiny, and it helps with the frizz and keeps my hair conditioned and moisturized. If you need to, you can apply oil to the ends of your hair. So what you do is after you have washed and dried your hair, apply the oil to the ends of your hair to seal in moisture. So I like to apply the oil from about my ears down. Try not to apply the oil to your scalp because you don't want to clog it. Use a microfiber towel. A microfiber towel is going to smooth the hair cuticle, which prevents frizz and damage. Cotton, on the other hand, absorbs moisture and can strip the natural oils from your hair. Also, when you are rubbing the cotton towel on your head, which you should never do, but if you're rubbing it on your hair, it's causing friction, which causes your hair to break off. It also causes frizz and split ends. Do not rub your hair. Dab it when you are drying, even if you're using a microfiber towel. Use less heat. Heat is very damaging to your hair. Not only does it remove moisture from your hair, causing it to become very dry, but it also can burn your hair, which causes your hair to take on that yellow tinge. And once your hair has been burned, you cannot remove that yellow color. You cannot remove the burn. You have to wait until it grows out, or you have to cut your hair very short to get rid of that yellow color. I know it's very difficult not to use heat, so if you are using heat, use it on a lower setting. So if you're blow drying your hair, curling your hair, straightening your hair, set it on a lower setting so that way there's no risk of damaging your hair. And always, always, always use a heat protectant. Use products that are alcohol-free. Products that contain alcohol will dry out your hair. This is something that I am working on. It is so hard to find products that are alcohol-free. It seems that everything has alcohol in it, right? Look at the ingredients to see where the alcohol is listed. If it is listed at the beginning of the ingredient list, that means there's a lot of alcohol in it. It's most likely going to be very drying on your hair. If the alcohol is listed towards the end of the ingredient list, then that means that there is less alcohol in that product. So most likely it will not be as drying on your hair. Don't touch your hair. This has been a biggie for me lately. Since I've cut my hair, I seem to be touching my hair all the time. So I know it is very, very hard not to touch your hair sometimes, especially when it's become a habit. But if you can, try to refrain from touching your hair because all the dirt and oil that is on your fingertips are transferred to your hair, and this causes your hair to become very dirty, oily. It can clog your scalp. If your hair is dry, which gray hair tends to be, it is going to cause your hair to become very frizzy too, because what happens is frizz is caused by the lack of moisture, right? So when the cuticle absorbs water, whether it's from the environment or from the moisture in your skin, it's going to cause your hair to swell and frizz. So touching your hair could possibly cause your hair to become frizzy. If anything, maybe that'll keep you from touching your hair, but I know how hard it is because I've been doing a lot of that lately, and my hair seems to be a little more poofy, and I'm pretty sure it's just because I'm always touching. The last tip is sleep in a satin or silk bonnet or on a satin or silk pillowcase. Cotton is very damaging to your hair. It absorbs moisture and oil from your hair, which causes hair breakage and frizz and all kinds of problems. So when you're sleeping and you're moving around and you're tossing and turning, or you're changing positions and your hair is rubbing on the cotton pillowcase, it's causing friction, which is why your hair becomes very weak, which can cause your hair to break off. So we don't want that. And then when you wake up, what happens? Your hair is super frizzy and poofy. When you use a satin or silk bonnet, or satin or silk pillowcase, it's not going to cause any of those issues because there's less friction and stress on the hair. So that's going to cause less breakage, less frizz. So if you can, sleep on something that is made out of satin or silk. Those are my gray hair care tips. So hopefully these tips will be very helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining me. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.